it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am showing you one of my favorite ever brunch recipes. So today we are going to be making vegan French toast. To be honest, I have had some pretty disappointing French toast in my life, and I always thought it was kind of hard to make a really good vegan French toast, but I promise you guys will not be disappointed with this recipe. I will show you. It is just perfect golden French toast that honestly tastes almost exactly like I remember, except it doesn't taste as eggy as I think regular French toast probably tastes because it doesn't have eggs. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe, so let's get into it.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
So we need half a block of firm tofu and put that into a blender, followed by the almond milk or any other plant-based milk that you want to use, some cane sugar, vanilla, and a few dashes of cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon, but you can do however much you like. Then just blend that up until it is nice and smooth and pour it into a shallow dish that will be good for dipping. So you can choose whatever type of bread you like. I like using a super dense sourdough bread. Preheat your frying pan to medium heat and then add a little bit of vegan butter, and once it is sizzling, you can dip your bread into the batter. Don't leave it sitting in there for too long because it can get a little bit soggy, and just let the excess drip off, and then put that into the frying pan and cook it for a few minutes per side until it is nice and golden brown. Then you just want to repeat this with as many slices of bread as you want, and if you have leftover batter, you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. I love serving mine with a little sprinkle of powdered sugar, some fresh berries, and of course maple syrup.
Somebody commented on my last video that they don't like the eating at the end of the videos, and I was like, I brought back the taste test because everybody was saying that they missed the eating at the end of the videos. So if you don't like me eating at the end of the video, you should probably turn it off now because I'm about to eat a big mouthful of French toast. If I can get a blueberry, there we go. It's so good. It's got like the crispy golden edges and the soft middle, and the flavor is just so on point. Also, if you guys follow my second channel, which is called Live Be Lifestyle, then you would have seen me recipe testing this French toast recipe. I posted a vlog on that channel of just kind of like a day in the life. I'll link it below if you guys want to watch it, but I was testing French toast in that video, this recipe obviously, and I was just like super happy that it worked out. So if you saw that vlog, then you definitely got a sneak peek of the French toast, but now you have the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you make the recipe, don't forget to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. Also, I would love if you made this, if you could leave a review on the recipe post on my website, and I really love knowing if you guys make any changes or substitutions and what you thought of the recipe. If you guys are looking for some more delicious brunch/breakfast recipes, I have a whole breakfast and brunch chapter in my cookbook. Actually, I'll get it. Live These Vegan on a Budget, and this is what it looks like. And like the title says, they are all vegan and budget friendly. So thank you guys for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you all next week. Bye!